This module, Legal Framework and Regulation, is about understanding the rules, responsibilities, and industry expectations that keep people safe in construction, and how they apply to you in your country, no matter what role you hold. You may not own a company or carry the highest level of responsibility, but you still play a critical part in legal compliance. The law does not apply only to managers. It applies to everyone on site in your country. Every action you take, or fail to take, either supports compliance or risks breaking it under the laws and regulations where you work. The legal framework is the set of laws, duties, and regulations that every worker must follow in their country. This includes health and safety duties, following agreed procedures, using equipment correctly, storing materials safely, reporting hazards, and stopping work when something is unsafe, in line with national law and site rules. These expectations are reinforced through recognized competence and behavioral standards used across the construction and built environment sector internationally, and applied through local law, regulation, and industry requirements in your country. Such standards set out how workers are expected to think, act, and behave in real situations, following mandatory rules, preventing harm, reporting issues early, using equipment safely, protecting people, property, and the environment, and making decisions that reduce risk rather than create it. You are also expected to demonstrate sustainability and environmental responsibility, because environmental protection forms part of legal, contractual, and industry requirements in many countries, including where you work. This includes the everyday actions that reduce waste, lower environmental impact, protect resources, and keep sites controlled and safe. For example, preventing damage, storing materials correctly, avoiding unnecessary rework, and maintaining a clean, orderly working area. Poor behavior and unsafe decisions increase risk, cost, waste, and environmental impact, which can fall under legal duties, contractual obligations, and recognized industry expectations in your country. This module will help you understand how the law links directly to your behavior and competency under the legal framework that applies where you work. Acting safely, following procedures, using equipment properly, and speaking up when something is wrong are not optional. They are legal expectations in your country. Ignoring them has consequences for you, your team, your company, your project, and your family at home. The law underpins everything. Your decisions, your evidence, your planning, your reporting, and your conduct all sit on top of the legal framework that applies in your country. If that foundation is weak, everything else collapses, including safety, your competency, and your professional reputation. To complete this course, you must achieve a 90% pass mark. The assessments are clear and accessible, multiple choice, true or false, and fill in the blank questions. Every question provides a set of answers to choose from, so there is no writing involved. If you fail this module, the entire course is failed. You are fully supported. A downloadable source of material is provided, containing every answer you need. When you complete the module, you will receive an email with your results, including any incorrect answers and explanations to support your learning. We recommend you study in a quiet place without interruptions, take regular breaks, and stay hydrated. This is a self-paced course, so take your time and work steadily. By the end, you will see that understanding the legal framework is not just about managers or paperwork, it is about your behavior, your competency, and recognizing that every choice has consequences. Under the laws, regulations, and sustainability requirements that apply in your country, your actions directly affect safety, compliance, the environment, and the people around you. Good luck. Give this your full attention. Legal awareness protects you, your team, your company, and the public.